Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint morph transition template. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. So the first step you have to do is open up a blank slide and insert a rounded corner rectangle. And then you have to put it down right here like this and then select all of these, go to the format shape and rotate one of them to 60 degrees rotation and the other to 120 degree. Select all of them and then you're gonna move them, align them onto the center and the middle. And then you're gonna unite them and then duplicate them and decrease one of their sizes. And you're gonna put them right here like this into the middle of the template. Go to format background and go to picture or texture fill and then insert an image of high resolution into the background. And the next step you have to do is give the shape slide background fill and give them shadow of the outline, and I'll just increase the distance of the shadow, and here you go. But this shadow doesn't seem right, so let's give it the inner shadow, but this shadow also doesn't look really nice. By the way, let me tell you that you can use both the shadows if you want, but for now the shadow I'm gonna use is the outer outline shadow, and so it's this one shadow. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So as you can see, our shape is not really visible. So let's just close the formatted background and insert a rectangle onto the entire slide. Change its color to black and send it to the back and change its transparency and increase its transparency so that our shape is truly visible and clearly visible in this template. So let's increase the distance of our shape. And the next thing we're going to do is insert our content text and anything else that we want to use in this template. So let's insert a text box right here and increase its size. And now we're going to change its color. And let's put it into the middle and the center of this shape and change its color to white. And let's insert a title box in which we'll just put in our title, and let's bold it and increase its size as compared to other text box. And then we're gonna insert a straight line just below the title. And the next step that we have to do is insert our content text. I'll just paste it right here, and let's change this color to white as well because on this template white color is more clearly visible. And let's give the text box some line spacing, and we're gonna select all of them and group them and then put them into the middle. Grouping an object allows us to align the template. And we're going to duplicate this template and then we're going to rotate both of the shapes into opposite directions. But if you want to rotate them into the same direction, that is also alright. So let's change the text box and text on this template. We're going to customize it. Here you go. Next, duplicate this template as well and repeat the following same steps. You have to rotate the shapes in an order, in an order, and you have to change the text box, and then you're gonna duplicate the same template, and then you're gonna put in your text and rotate the shapes. Here you go. Next, we're gonna go to design and then form a background and give each of the template a different background image. Here you go. So I'll just use this image for the last template and select all of the templates, go to transitions tab and give them morph transition. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion.